We are outside of this beautiful oceanfront home that's for sale at 140 Fishing Rock in the Lincoln Beach area, just south of Lincoln City. This beautiful two-bedroom home is priced at $399,000. This oceanfront home is just over 3,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 stories with a loft, and a 2-car garage. The home was built in 1996 with high-end custom features throughout. Entering into the home, you get the breathtaking views right away. In the open concept, large living area. The home has a gourmet kitchen with a high-end fridge and range. And as you're cooking for everyone, you get unbeatable views. The master bedroom on the main living floor with its own access to the deck. And a fireplace that actually goes through to the living room. And of course a master bathroom. With a step-in shower. And a large master closet that wraps around that way. We have this beautiful oak staircase that leads up to a loft, perfect for extra living, sleeping area, a home office, or just a place to continue to look at that beautiful view out the wall of windows. And we'll go to the second bedroom just off the entry. East facing bedroom, but it still has a view out to the ocean as well. And a large closet. Down the hallway on the main floor, you've got another bathroom with a tub, a large laundry room, and the 2-car garage. And to finish off this beautiful 3,000 square foot, 2-bed, 2-bath home, you have the lower basement area. It's a little dark down here, and that's just because it's designed to have some more lighting with some area lamps here and there. That's a utility closet there. But you have this nice large second living space. And then on the other side, you guys might see that is a wine cellar there, plus another large area. Used to have a pool table. It could be a game room. It could be set up as another sleeping area, or just any kind of fun setup that you can imagine for 2 nice large living spaces in the lower level. And then, as I said, we've got a beautiful wine cellar as well. Here's an outside look at the home from the ocean. So this is facing the ocean. And the last part is, it's very important to know that the home does have some erosion issues. Part of the reason it's priced at $399 is that it has some erosion. So what a buyer would want to do is talk with a contractor about how to resolve some of these erosion issues. There are contractors on the Oregon coast that do work with this type of situation. A look down south towards Newport. and a view north to Lincoln City. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today of the online open house at 140 Fishing Rock in the Lincoln Beach area of the Oregon coast. This beautiful home is priced at $399, and you can find it at homeoregoncoast.com.